Hello everyone, welcome back to my craft room. I'm just popping in real quick to share about the new Spellbinders colored cardstock. I have most of their new colors right here on my desk. So let's jump right to it. Spellbinders has 6 new colors of their Color Essential Cardstock, adding to their color family of beautiful colored cardstock. If you've been following me, if you know me, you know how much I love to use their colored cardstock. It's nice and thick. It decorates beautifully. The colors are vibrant. It's basically a dream to work with. I have many of their colors, most of their colors, and I use them all the time. I also love to use the Simon Says Stamp colored cardstock, and I love Hero Arts colored cardstock. So these are most commonly, I keep looking over there because that's where most of my Spellbinders cardstock is. So Simon Says Stamp, Spellbinders, and Hero Arts are the colored cardstock brands that you will find in my craft room. Now let's get to the new colors. So I have 5 out of the 6 new colors. So there are 6 colors. The one that I don't have is Sage. That's something that I will have to order separately, and I really hope that it will come soon because from the look of it, that color is just beautiful. But let's look at the 5 colors that I do have. Now there is also a bundle available to help you sample the new colors. The bundle includes just the 5 colors. It doesn't include all 6. The one it doesn't include is this one, Fog. So it includes these 4 plus the Sage. So if you want to just, get your feet wet, try and test the colors, you can get the bundle. It includes 2 sheets of the 5 colors. But if you're sure about these, there are full packs, 10 sheets in each pack. Let's take a closer look. So first up, we have Fog. Never mind the packaging. That was just my user error. That was me opening it, getting impatient. So that's why it's all torn. So this is the Spellbinders Fog color. Now Simon Says Stamp also has a gray color that is called Fog, and I have it right here to show it to you side by side because we do want to compare these 2 colors. So you can see there's a world of a difference. This is a much warmer gray. This is a much cooler gray. This almost looks like blue. At first when I opened my package, I thought this was Glacier because it does look kind of similar. Let me grab Glacier. I mean, it's not Glacier, obviously, but you see how close it is to Glacier. And by the way, this Glacier cardstock, it's one of my most used papers from Spellbinders. I really, really, really love this paper. Anyhow, so that's the Simon Says Stamp Fog. This is white, just to give you an idea. And this is the new Spellbinders Fog. So very beautiful color. I'm glad they added this to their collection. They don't really have a lot of light gray colors. I'm looking over at my papers to see what other colors of gray there are. So there's the Spellbinders Silver Fox. This is actually very similar to the Simon Says Stamp Fog. I would say it's probably even the same. I mean, look at it. Yeah, it's almost like the same color. I also have Hero Arts Pebble, which is, another gray. Again, different. There's also Spellbinders Lunar Gray, which is much darker. And what else do we have? Okay, I have the Spellbinders Graphite. So this one is much, much darker. So that's a quick look at the gray colors. Let me just put this away real quick. So next we have the Spellbinders Velvet Rose. It's a beautiful color. I have been waiting for this color for a long time. If you remember FSJ or Fun Stamper's Journey, that was the Spellbinders sister brand. They used to have this color in their color family. It was amazing. In fact, I might even still have some of it, but I haven't been using it because I couldn't link to it anywhere. And when I use something, you guys want to buy it. So I try to use the products that are only available. What I'm trying to say here is I really love this paper. I still have some right there. And I'm really glad that Spellbinders is bringing this color back in their color family. So let's look at some other pinks that Spellbinders currently has to give you, you know, an idea to compare these colors. So this is Pink Sand. This is, okay, I actually have a couple of different colors in here. So let's look at this. Okay, so this is the Hero Arts Peony color. Very beautiful. It's actually my favorite pink. It's so nice and soft and so pretty. Beautiful, beautiful color. There's also not the Hero Arts, Simon Says TM Cotton Candy. So beautiful. I also love this paper. It's kind of similar to the Spellbinders Pink Sand, but it's a little bit different. And I really like to have all of the different shades of pink, of the light pink, because I do use pink color a lot. So it, I mean, I hoard pink paper. I love it. So next we have Spellbinders Fruit Punch. This is so like dramatically different. This is very muted pink. This is very vibrant pink. Now another one is the Spellbinders Dahlia. Now the Dahlia color does go together with a Velvet Rose. I think it makes a beautiful color combination. And then the last one I have is the Spellbinders Wild Berry. Again, this will probably go well together with the Wild Rose. So beautiful colors. Love these. Okay, moving on. Next we have two new yellow colors. So we have the Sunkissed and the Tuscan colors. I do have the other pinks here to compare. So first we have Spellbinders Chamomile. This is their lightest yellow. Then we have the Spellbinders Beeswax, another beautiful yellow. Then I would go with the Sunkissed. Then we have the Spellbinders Saffron, stunning. And we add the Tuscan color on top. So look at these beautiful yellow colors. Absolutely gorgeous. Love, love, love these. Next, or last, I should say, but not least, definitely, is the Peach Sorbet color. And this is again brought back from the Fun Stamper Journey color family. Super excited to see this color make a comeback. I love it. And you know what, guys? Let me show you. If you know the Barely Peach color, so that's the Barely Peach, this is going to go really well with the Barely Peach. So Peach Sorbet and Barely Peach make a beautiful color combination. Stunning, stunning colors together. So that's all that I have for you today. I just wanted to share my excitement because I love colored cardstock. I love using it. If I can, I will use it all the time. You know that I even love to do stamping and coloring on colored cardstock, not to mention foiling, because you know, foil always looks fantastic on colored cardstock. So just wanted to share the new colors, show you the new colors up close and compare them to the other colors that Spellbinders currently have. Links are in description below. So if you want to grab these colors, go ahead and order them. Thanks for spending time with me today. Love you guys. And I'll see you next time. Bye.